channel. So for today's video, I am so excited because I'm doing an unboxing with none other than Fenty Skin. I have seen all the videos about this skincare line from Rihanna and I was dying to try it out, dying to put it on my skin. I haven't used it on my skin yet because this is an unboxing, but I will do a review for the Fenty Skin just so you guys can see how everything worked on my skin. Everyone's skin is different. Different products react to different skin textures. So just because someone has an amazing, facial cleanse from Fenty Skin doesn't mean someone else will. So every skin is different, but it doesn't mean the product doesn't work. Her makeup is amazing. Her Fenty Skin should be amazing too. Let's get right into it. This is actually a gift that my boyfriend gave me.
Hi, baby.
He's actually at work right now. I miss him. It's so quiet in here without him here. So quiet. It actually comes in a box like this. I'm not really sure if you received Fenty Skin before. It probably came in a different box. I'm not really sure, but I received mine in a regular brown box. My address is on the other side, so you ain't gonna get my address like that. We ain't doing that, so I'm not gonna turn the box over. I'm just gonna open it up. It's a lot of paper. She wants to protect her merchandise. I get it. She wants to protect it. As soon as you open the box, it looks just like this. It has Fenty Skin, kind of like a graphic design in a way. Like if you were to spray paint on a wall, so it has like a graphic design to it. I thought that was really cute. When you open up the box, it pretty much has all your products inside, just like this. Just take out all the products. It pretty much was a gift to me, so when I did search up online just to get a little bit of information for you guys, I did get the bundle, which is the $139 value, which comes with all 5 products inside of it. If you're going to try out a skincare line, why not try out all products at once? Why not just go ahead and wing it? So I was really grateful that he got me all 5 Fenty Skin products. The packaging is so cute. I actually love this color. This is like a periwinkle. It's actually one of my favorite colors. I love the color periwinkle. So cute. I'm just going to run down the line and show you guys all the different products that came into this bundle. So first I'm going to start off with the Fenty Skin Fat Water. I know everybody wanted to know about it and see what it looks like. So this is the Fenty Skin Fat Water. It's a pore refining toner serum. And it's actually, is this in French? I think it's in French. It looks like it's in French. But this is the Fenty Skin. Can't really see it. Can you see? Instantly refines the look of pores, reduces the look of dark spots, even skin tone, and fights shine without stripping skin. Dark spots are basically from scratching at pimples and whatever dark spots that you do have on your face. I'm not really sure where other dark spots come from, but I know for me, when I scratch at my pimples and I'm picking at my face, it leaves a dark spot. So I definitely hope that this can take advantage of that. Directions: use day and night on clean skin. Apply over face with fingers. For external use only, use as directed. This is really cute. Next, we're gonna go on to Fenty Skin Hydra Vizor, and it comes in this box just like this. This is actually so cute, and it has directions on how to use it on the side, which is cool. Lightest air hydration, invisible sun protection, defends and brightens skin while reducing the look of pores. Oil free. I get real oily. Like there's been times when I wipe my face and I'm like, I'm so oily. And when I do use cleanser on my face, I use regular Dove lotion on my face. I feel like Dove products really help me, so I use Dove soap. And the directions on the side are: insert, push until it clicks, twist to close. So it says use every single day, no excuses, apply before makeup for the ultimate canvas. You want the ultimate canvas? Fenty Skin. Helps prevent sunburn. If used as directed with other skin sun protection measures, decreases the risk of skin cancer and early skin aging caused by sun. So I guess this goes inside. Insert, push until clicks. Oh wow, twist to close. So we inserted it, we pushed it down till it clicked, and then insert to close. There you go. It's pretty easy to hook this up. So you push it down till it clicks, and then you close it. Wow, this is so cool. So this is the Fenty Skin Hydra Visor. Directions: apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure. Reapply at least every 2 hours. Children under 6, ask doctors. What kids under 6 is using Fenty Skin? Next is the Instant Reset Overnight Recovery Gel Cream. So this must be a cream that works its magic while you sleeping. Directions: use every night to help skin bounce back to life by morning. For external use only, use as directed. You're going to use it every night to bounce your life back. So if you look wrinkly, it'll bounce your life back. Now, this one comes with directions to insert peel-off foil, twist to close. Okay, so it's pretty much just like the Hydra Visor. On the side it says, revive skin overnight for a refreshed glow by day. Hydrates and reduces the look of pores while minimizing the look of dark spots over time. When you're using skincare products, you're not going to see results overnight. You have to reapply and use it in the direction that it's given to you, and you'll see amazing results. Rome wasn't built in a day, y'all. So it comes with this. Now let me smell this. I really don't want to open it. Wow, that smells so good. Wait. Wow. And it has this. Ooh, this is so cute. Oh, look at this. This is so nice. Fenty Skin. What's the instructions again? Peel off foil. Twist to close. Look how much is on there. Now we're going to put some back in the container. You know how much my man paid for this? No, we getting all our money's worth. Come on. This low-key looks like pudding, but you better not put it in your mouth. This smells so good. Okay. Peel off foil. 1. Twist to close. Did I do it right? Ah, wait. All right, we twist to close, and then you would open it up. Wait, y'all, I got this completely wrong. Rihanna gonna kick my ass. Why you showing my stuff and you don't even know how to fix the container, girl? I think I got it right. What is this? But it comes with a mirror. It comes with a mirror, and this little thing pops out. So I guess that's how you apply the lotion, I believe. Don't get me to lying. There it goes. So it's just like this. You got another mirror right here. It's technically not a mirror, but it is a mirror. This packaging is to die for. Instant Reset Overnight Recovery Gel Cream. So you would basically put this on your face at night. Let me put this back in the box. What this say? It's in a different language. It's in a different language. So this was the Fenty Skin Instant Reset. So you would use the Instant Reset to put on your face before you go to bed, and you would wake up, what it said, y'all? You would wake up and bounce back to life. And we got 2 more products to go. So next we have the Fenty Skin Total Cleanser. This doesn't say S-E-R, it's S''R, cleanser. So how would you say that? Total cleanser. Remove it all cleanser. I hope and pray this is a makeup removal. All right, this is the Hyper Clean Soft Skin Without Stripping or Drying Daily Cleanser and Makeup Remover in 1.
Oh my god.
Directions: use day and night to remove makeup dirt and impurities. Wet skin, work into a lather, rinse for external use only. The one thing I like about this is it has this tape. You can see right here, it has this tape. Let me turn this light down. So it has this tape on the side, so it makes me know that nobody was in my shit. Let me peel this off because I do want to smell it. You know, if I'm gonna put it on my face, I want to know what it smells like. The top doesn't come off. Y'all hear that? The click. All her items, the click. It's not gonna work unless you hear what, y'all? The click. This has like a coconut smell to it. Let me see. Basically, to open it, you click it open and then you put some pressure on it just to get the stuff to come out the top. So this is basically your daily cleanser and makeup remover all in one. This is amazing. I thought this was a face lotion, y'all, just because the way it looks. She doesn't just have products like just to, you know, cleanse your face in the morning. She actually has nighttime, you know, cleanser, and it's just amazing, all the products that she has, and they smell so good. So remember guys, this is a daily cleanser and makeup remover in one. So this is the total cleanser, because there's no E. Cleanser. If I got that wrong, Brianna, I'm sorry, but either that's how you say it or they forgot the E, girl. So last but not least, we have the Flash Snap. This is basically an instant revival eye gel cream. So this basically will go under your eye just so you can get those bags from underneath your eyes. That's what my grandma be saying. You look like a raccoon girl with them dark circles around your eyes. But this is the Fenty Skin Flash Snap Instant Revival Eye Gel Cream. And the directions: use day and night under and around the eyes for external use only. Don't get it in your eye. I do want to check it and see if a little bit goes a long way so that I don't have to use so much under my eyes. This stuff smells so good. So a little bit does go a long way, so you wouldn't have to use so much. So that's pretty much all of the products that I have that came into my package. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like I said, I will be doing a review so that you guys can see in a week how they impacted my skin, if they messed up my skin, but I doubt they're gonna mess up my skin because come on, it's Rihanna. She wouldn't do us dirty like that. I will be updating you guys in a week to let you guys know how it impacted my skin. I do recommend, even just by the packaging and you know the way it smells, I do recommend you purchasing this, especially if you want good skin, and not even just good skin, the fact that there's cleanser for morning and night, so you can take care of your skin in the morning as well as put cleanser and put, you know, all kinds of creams on your face at night, just so you can wake up and feel your skin, you know, replenished. The instructions that came with certain products were so easy to do, so I do recommend this. And I will be updating you guys to let you know how it impacted my skin. I appreciate you guys for watching my video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.